We are going to discuss organic types of organic reactions today. I'm Dr. Smarika Lawrence. There are 4 types of organic reactions: addition reaction, substitution reaction, elimination, and rearrangement reactions. The first type of organic reaction is addition reaction. Now, addition reaction, the components, for example, components A and B are added to a carbon-carbon multiple bond, and this is known as addition reaction. For example, in this molecule of ethane, you know that there is a double bond present, and the bromine molecule adds on the pi bond. The bond breaks, and it results in the creation of two vacancies, and bromine atoms attach on these two vacancies, and it gives rise to a molecule of 1,2-dibromoethane. And this type of reaction is known as addition reaction. Similar type of reactions can be seen on triple bonded compounds and with other types of components also. Next type of reaction is substitution reaction. In a substitution reaction, one atom or a group of atom is substituted by another atom or a group of atom to form a new substance. Now, what is the substitution reaction? We'll understand with the help of this example. You can see that this is methane and this is a molecule of chlorine. The molecule of chlorine, one atom from chlorine molecule goes and takes the position of one of the hydrogens over here. So this is known as substitution, and it results in a substituted product, and the hydrogen from here goes and attaches to the Cl. So in a substitution reaction, one atom or a group of atoms is substituted by another atom or a group of atoms. So in place of hydrogen, chlorine is substitution and hydrogen takes the place of chlorine. These type of reactions are known as substitution reactions. The next reaction is elimination reaction. There are some reactions which involve the elimination or removal of adjacent atoms, and they are always molecules like water molecule, NH3, etc., which are removed in elimination reactions, and as a result of which multiple bonded species are formed as products. And here is an example of dehydration of alcohol, and you can see that this is a molecule of alcohol. Now this OH molecule from this carbon atom and this H attached to this carbon atom is removed in this molecule. Because of this, you find that the water molecule is removed, and the vacancies which are created because of the loss of hydrogen and OH on these two carbon atoms results in the form of double bond in your alcohol. So you get a product which is a double bonded molecule, and water molecule is removed over here. Similar examples can be seen where different types of molecules are eliminated in reactions. The last type of organic reaction is a rearrangement reaction. A rearrangement reaction is a broad class of organic reactions where carbon skeleton of a molecule is rearranged to give structural isomer of the original molecule. Often a substituent moves from one atom to another atom in the same molecule. So here you find that a new product is formed when rearrangement takes place, and in a rearrangement you find this example I have taken. The example is a Beckmann rearrangement. In a Beckmann rearrangement, you can see that cyclohexanone is reacting with NH2OH, that is hydroxylamine, and it is resulting in the formation of hexanoxime, and this in the presence of H2SO4 results in the formation of caprolactam. So you can see that this oxime over here is converted to amide in this particular molecule, and this is known as rearrangement reaction, where you can see that rearrangement of oxime is taking place into amide. So this type of reaction is an example of a rearrangement reaction. Thank you.